Confused between GPT and ChatGPT? You're not alone. In this video, we break down the difference between GPT and ChatGPT.
They sound similar, but they're not exactly the same. In this video, I'll explain the difference clearly, whether you're new to AI or just curious.
First up, GPT. That stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's an AI language model created by OpenAI that's trained on massive amounts of text. Think books, websites, code, conversations, and more. Its job? Predict the next word in a sentence and do it so well that the result sounds just like something a human would say. There are different versions like GPT-3, GPT 3.5, GPT-4, and now GPT 4.0. The O stands for Omni, meaning it can handle text, images, and audio. GPT is the core engine behind many AI tools you see today. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a product, a chatbot app created by OpenAI that lets you talk to GPT in a natural, conversational way. Think of it like this. GPT is the brain, and ChatGPT is the friendly face. ChatGPT uses GPT models, but adds features like memory, prompt enhancements, a web interface, and even tools like code interpreters, image generations, and more. In short, ChatGPT is the easy-to-use wrapper around the powerful GPT model. So what's the difference in practice? Let's break it down. GPT is a raw AI model. You can access it via API or integrate it into your apps. ChatGPT is a polished, user-ready chatbot. You interact through a website or a mobile app. GPT doesn't have a user interface. It just responds to data inputs. ChatGPT gives you a clean UI history and personalization. One is for developers and the other is for everyone. Let's say you want to build an AI writing tool. You'd use the GPT model via OpenAI's API. But if you just want to write an email, summarize a document, or ask a question, you'd use ChatGPT. GPT is like the engine of a car. ChatGPT is the finished vehicle you can drive. So let's sum it up. GPT is the powerful AI model. It's what does the thinking. ChatGPT is the user-friendly application. It's how most people interact with that power. Now you know the difference. If this helped clear things up, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment if you got more AI questions. Thanks for watching!